Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a Revolut user looking to send money to another card in 2025, you're in the right place. This full guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it simple and stress-free. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or transferring funds for online shopping, Revolut's features make it a breeze. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed on your phone. Open the app and log in with your credentials or biometric authentication for security. Once you're in, head to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen. Next, select the account or card you want to transfer money from. Revolut lets you choose from your various balances, so pick the one with the funds you need. Now, enter the recipient's details. You'll need their card number, which you can find on their physical or digital card. Double-check this to avoid any errors. Then, specify the amount you want to send. Revolut will show you the exchange rate if you're dealing with different currencies, which is super handy in 2025 with their updated global features. Keep an eye on any potential fees. Transfers to cards might have a small charge, depending on your plan. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll be prompted to authorize the transfer, probably with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. After that, sit back and wait for the confirmation notification. Most transfers are instant or complete within minutes. A quick tip: always verify the recipient's details before confirming, and if you're new to Revolut, check your account limits to ensure you're within the allowed amount. If you run into any issues, Revolut's in-app chat support is excellent for quick help. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Revolut to another card in 2025. It's straightforward and secure, saving you time and hassle. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.